Hey everybody, I am in Charlotte. I'm here to see the Shout Festival and to tour the city. So let's go along and see what they got going on here. So Charlotte has been here since the 1700s, and it got its name from Queen Charlotte of England during the Revolution. Cornwallis, General Cornwallis came here to take over during the Revolution, and he was driven out, and he said that this place was a hornet's nest because so many people didn't want him, and that's where they get their the basketball name, the Charlotte Hornets. They were a hornet's nest and drove out General Cornwallis. Check these out. They're supposed to set these free by, I guess, yelling into them. Talk loudly in the microphone to light up the. So I'm gonna try to light up the strip here by speaking loudly. Light up. Hello. Hello. Light up. I'll pop out. All right, I charged it up. I think they're gonna pipe. That was kind of cool. These are weird boxes. Oh, we got the seesaws down here. All the kids on the seesaw. We called them teeter-totters when I was growing up in California. That's pretty cool. Looks fun. So we got some food trucks. Wouldn't be a festival without food. So before the Europeans got here, the first Europeans to come here were the Ulster Scots, I guess, or Scots-Irish. And before them was the Catawba Indians. They used to be sort of a route between tribes when they traded here. And hundreds of years later, it's home to about 800 and something thousand people. I think it's like the second most populous city in the South. Amongst all these new buildings, you can see a few old buildings here that have been here for a while. So here's a old Catholic church. You can see like all these modern buildings. This is clearly a lot older. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Look at there, there's some talent. So it's a pedal pub. So that person is pedaling and being a bartender at the same time. It's a beautiful day out here. I was afraid when I came to Charlotte that it was going to be really humid, but it's beautiful, and I guess that's why everybody's out and about having a good time. You can see there's crowns. That's the city symbol. There's crowns on the street signs and anything that belongs to the city government, and that represents the history of Charlotte being named after Queen Charlotte of England. So this is Wells Fargo Plaza. They have some music going on over there. So this is the East Coast headquarters of Wells Fargo, and Bank of America's national headquarters is also in Charlotte. This is supposed to be the fastest growing city in America right now. People are moving here in droves. So we have the little exclamation marks that represent Shout. They were given to different artists, and people did their thing and kind of painted them and put words on them. We got this one that someone sewed and put these little flowers. That's really cool, actually. Check this little corner out. We got some artwork there. And then we have these 4 statues. Oh, so I noticed that there were gnomes all over, and they're supposed to be all over, but I'm not looking for them. But if we see them, I'll show them. So we got transportation.
1 block.
So that one's industry. We got this one with the pan. So we have commerce, transportation, industry, commerce. We have future. Pretty cool. We got them, we got a little box to do shoutoke, karaoke. Look at the doggy. So I think this is the Bank of America headquarters, Founders Hall. Yep, Bank of America Corporate Center. We got the little guard out there. And there we are, way up there. Yeah, a lot of businesses here. Pretty nice place. Downtown seems pretty safe everywhere I go. And it seems like a family-friendly place. Oh, there's another gnome. So here's the Discovery Science Center. I think this is geared more towards kids. Strange fruit, exciting times. The funny bus.
Let's do it. All right, what else? Let me see who else. We have any locals on the bus. If you're a local, raise your hand.
That's what they want to do.
There's another old church right there. That's pretty cool. First United Presbyterian Church. Sure, that's been there for a minute. 7th Street Public Market. See what they got in there. Just curious. Thank you. Oh, so we got a little bit of everything in here. We're gonna see some opera in the 7th Street Market. We got some souvenirs and trinkets and stuff. All kinds of special cheeses. Excuse me. That's all right. All kinds of cheeses can't pronounce. Wines. Here's the light rail station. So you want to get from one end of the city to the other. This is your thing. So check out this this tower of quotes. It was made by Rolf Neal. He was a writer and editor of the Charlotte Observer. And I got a couple favorites over here. So I like this one here. On its worst day, the world is full of much more good than evil, more kindness than contempt, and more hope than resignation. Otherwise, we could not long continue the struggle called life. I love that. We didn't inherit the land from our ancestors, we borrowed it from our children. Simplify your life, true wealth is found in the head, for sure. This is pretty cool. They have Little stamp here. We got the kids playing on the typewriter buttons. We found the cool library of Charlotte, I suppose. I don't think I'm gonna go in today, but that's pretty cool. Look at that library. Wow, they made the outside of that look really cool. More stuff going on across the street. Let's check it out. First Ward Park. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, Earth Day. So this is one of the many parks you can find here in Charlotte. I guess they have little stations, so let's just breeze through and see what we can see. So this is, I guess, in recognition of Earth Day. So we'll see a lot of environmental things. Look at this cute puppy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, you're a cute buddy. Look at you. You're a cute boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we have a little show for everyone. Excuse me. That giant mast there, that's pretty cool.
You want a pangolin? Oh, okay.
We have a few of them. Oh, check this bird kid out. So cool. Oh, I guess they let you put stuff on and be an animal for a minute. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, somebody's gonna be some sort of goat or ram. That's cool. Oh, there's another gnome over there. Yeah, I guess it's time to wrap up using fossil fuels. We don't need it. Hi. Hey, how's it going? Oh, yes. Yeah, it's a GoPro. My YouTube channel. Well, thank you for sharing that.
Sure.
Appreciate it, for sure. Just had a little talk about climate change and what we can do to promote it. And I guess basically write your congressman and tell them that let's do things to deter using fossil fuels. So let's get on it. We got people building things, terraforma. They're making things out of mounds. The kids making, that's cool. Wow, that's super cool. Now look at this, they have a parade. Looks like Groot. So here is the Spectrum Center right there, and I'm assuming that's where the Charlotte Hornets play. But I wanted to show you one more thing, which is that is the Charlotte NASCAR Hall of Fame. You can see they got the checkered walkways. And I wanted to check out this gnome because there are gnomes all over the place. And I haven't really got to look at one up close. But here's a known. And then there's the Charlotte NASCAR Hall of Fame. And that's where they honor drivers with exceptional skill and all that. So check this gnome out. Seems kind of interesting. I wouldn't pay to get in. I don't watch NASCAR, but it'd be kind of cool to see the history. I believe NASCAR started from people souping up their cars to get some of that moonshine away from the police. But we got some cars up there, old school cars. Where's all these? I think, does this represent some sort of molecular structure? I wonder if these light up at night. If you're from Charlotte and you know what these things do, let me know. All right, everybody, I'm done here in Charlotte. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. I had a good time. And if you're from Charlotte, you have a pretty cool city. I don't know when next time I'll be back, but it's a fun place to tour. So anyway, if you liked the video, subscribe and share it with your friends and anybody who hasn't been to Charlotte and wants to see it. So love you guys, and I'll see you next time.